TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 203. You got the NASDAQ up 15. S&Ps are up 4.5. When you take a look percentage-wise out here, what you have, Dow Industrials up 0.9%. S&P up 0.2. NASDAQ up 0.2. You have the NASDAQ and the S&P lagging pretty badly out here. Gold contract's down $3.30, trading at $12.77 an ounce. We have the silver contract down 12 cents, $16.95 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 50 cents, $52.40 a barrel. We're going to have the API numbers out this afternoon at 4:30. Now, notes and bonds. Let's take a look at that note and bond market. This is what you have. 10-year note, we're trading 124.22. That is the low of October 6th. Bottom line, you have 839,000 contracts. That's going into 1.8 million. You're not going to do the contract volume. Bottom line, we'll see whether it's going to be a rejection of lower price. As we get down into these lower prices, bottom line, you don't have any more sellers. Right now, the 10-year yield is 2.4%, and bottom line, that is the high of the last 6 months. We take a look at the 30-year note, 30-year bond rather. We're at 151.19. You've done 153,000 contracts. That's going into 357. So in both cases, folks, it looks like the notes and the bonds are going to be bottoming out right here once again. And this is going to get intriguing. The reason being, of course, is that if you have notes starting to get higher and bonds starting to get higher, bottom line, that is saying that the S&P wants to back down. The Dow's on its own. It's pretty amazing watching this Dow Industrials. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? So King dollar out here trading at a price point of 93.840. And King dollar, the number to keep your eye on in King dollar, we've done 12,000 contracts. It's 93.840. Right now you're at the 93.800 mark. You've done 12,000 contracts. That's anemic volume. You're going into 27,000 contracts. What you can look at for the rest of the trading day out here, I expect you're going to see the Dow stay up. Keep your eye on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, as well as the S&Ps, are the weak indices out here. The NASDAQ would be the weakest one out of those indices. You have the Dow up right now, 204. NASDAQ is up 15. S&Ps are up 4.5. Stay right there. We got our man, Mr. Steve Rhodes, coming up next.